Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can update your TikTok app. So there are a few ways on how you can do that. The first thing you have to do is open your App Store app, and at the top right corner you have to select the icon with your profile picture and then go to Manage Apps and Device. So right here you will see this option updates available, and if you click on that you will see all the applications that need to be updated on your phone. So in this list, if you see the TikTok app, you just go forward and hit the update button in order to install the latest version of the application. The second thing you can do is just go back to the first page and go and search for the TikTok manually. And right here, if you see the update button instead of open, it means that your application is to be updated. And you just go forward and hit the update button in order to install the latest version of your application. So if you don't want to do this manually and you want to keep your applications up to date, what you can do right here is just hit this profile icon of yours at the top right, and right here go to settings, and in the network preferences section you will have right here the auto update apps, and you are going to hit on that and select over Wi-Fi only. So basically this means that your applications will be updated automatically once you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. So this is all for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.